Hi everyone, welcome back to another Canva tutorial. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new copy style feature that is available inside of Canva. So here on the screen I've got some stars and they have got this kind of patchy infilled style to them, and if that's the style you like and you would like to use that through your design, there's a very easy way that you can do that now. So if we take for example these stars are obviously totally different, but if you like that as a design but you want them to look like the gold stars that you've already chosen, then select the image and up here we can go to copy style, and now that style has been copied, all we need to do now is select this element and we can see now that Canva is working its magic and it's making all the alterations, and now we can see that that has copied the style from the original stars onto those stars. So if you wanted to then say, oh well actually I want to see how it's going to look as a glitter star, then you can select the glitter star, go to copy style and then select the element that you want to change. So we'll change these stars again, and there we can see now that has changed those to also be glitter stars. And this is a really quick and easy way when you are designing inside of Canva to copy styles that you like onto other elements. I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching. See you all again soon.